load 88 pounds and other.
Welcome to American Dream Garage. I just wanted to show something real fast. The other day I was just experimenting with tire foam, and I don't know that it matters the brand, thinking about what it does to rubber. Spray it on, let it dry, and it looks clean and shiny. I thought, well, I wonder what that would do to an engine bay. So I wanted to do that real fast. Mainly just focusing on rubber, soft parts. More parts than I thought, so we'll let that dry. See what it looks like. Okay, so I let it dry. Just wiped a couple areas just to let it. So we'll take a good look now. Again, this is probably not a solution to a complete detail of your engine, but if you're going to a car show and you want to dress it up pretty quick, it does a pretty good job on the hoses and plug wires and things like that. So makes the engine compartment look pretty good for almost no work. So thanks for joining me today at American Dream Garage.